Hello guys, my name is Vivek and I am from Jharkhand, and in this video I gonna to give you some tips to be fluent in English, and these tips are actually helpful to you to be fluent in English. Okay, so without wasting much of time, let's do in the video and let's begin. Okay guys, all are human beings and they are bundle of mistakes, so don't worry. I am learning English and we are in the learning phase, so mistake is the natural process, and we have to we have tried to correct these mistakes. Okay, so first tip is that storytelling is most fabulous tip to improve your English and communication skills with others. Okay, this storytelling tips helps you a lot, and obviously correct your English pronunciations and your thinking level in English. Okay, so storytelling means uh, you have to need read story daily. Daily means every single day, and you have to try to do summarize this story and tell anyone else uh, in your own words. Okay, it's help you a lot to uh, thinking and speaking and communicate with others in English. Okay, so when you are read a story and summarized and try to speak in your own words, I know you I know we are mistake a lot, but it's gradually decreases. Okay, and if you don't have anyone else to speak story, then yourself is the your stand in front of the mirror and let's fire and let's try to speak your own self. It is if you in the comment section you always comment that we don't have anyone to ask to speak to communicate, so it's just excuses. It's don't help in our speaking skills, so you can try her with own. Okay, so if you like this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and to study with me and learning with me, subscribe my channel, and see you in next video. Bye bye.